Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the essentials: tools, the original key, and app access, because you will need to reprogram after mechanical work. Once done, remove the battery pack to avoid short circuits, then unscrew the mounting plate and pull the exterior cover straight off. Make sure to save current PINs or backup codes in the app first, since you will erase or change them later. Now locate the retaining screw on the cylinder or motor housing. That screw is your first actionable step. Loosen it and slide the lock unit out carefully. You'll now focus on the complex middle work. Remove the cylinder by setting the cam to the shear line and pulling while turning slightly. This exposes the pin stack. If rekeying, use the kit's key gauge and new pins. Replace one pin at a time, then compress the plug and reinstall slowly. If swapping to a new cylinder, seat it so the cam engages the motor. Once the mechanical side rotates smoothly, reconnect the motor coupling and verify manual rotation before moving to electronics. Finish by reassembling the unit. Align the interior housing, secure mounting screws, and reconnect the battery. Then pair or reauthorize the lock in the app and set a new PIN and user permissions. Make sure to calibrate any motorized latch using the app setup routine. Test every entry method: key, keypad, app, auto lock, and remote unlock, at least 5 times to confirm reliability. If something fails, check the troubleshooting tip below before calling support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.